Datasets are the backbone of machine learning, essential for training models and making accurate predictions. This guide will explore the types of datasets and where to find them, setting the stage for understanding their structure and importance in artificial intelligence projects. A dataset is a structured collection of data, often organized in tables or arrays. Tabular datasets are typically stored in CSV format, while JSON is used for tree-like data. Understanding the structure of datasets is crucial for effective data handling, enabling us to manage and process data efficiently in machine learning projects. Datasets encompass numerical, categorical, and ordinal data types. Numerical data includes values like house prices, while categorical data involves labels such as yes, no. Ordinal data, like rankings, can be compared. Real-world datasets are vast and complex, often necessitating dummy datasets for initial practice. Effective data management is crucial for handling these large datasets efficiently. Image datasets are pivotal for computer vision tasks like classification and segmentation. Text datasets drive natural language processing tasks such as sentiment analysis and translation. Time series datasets are essential for forecasting and anomaly detection. Each dataset type serves specific machine learning needs, ensuring models are trained effectively for their intended applications. Data preprocessing is crucial for transforming raw data into a format suitable for model training. Key techniques include data cleaning to remove inconsistencies, normalization to scale data, and handling missing values. These steps ensure the data is ready for machine learning algorithms, enhancing model performance and accuracy. Training datasets build models, while test datasets assess their performance. Properly splitting these datasets is crucial to avoid bias and overfitting, ensuring model accuracy. Representative datasets are essential for reliable predictions. Next, we'll explore how platforms like Kaggle provide diverse datasets for various machine learning applications. Kaggle offers a vast collection of datasets for data science projects. Users can find, download, and collaborate on datasets easily. Kaggle datasets are available in various formats for diverse applications. The UCI Machine Learning Repository is a key resource for datasets, categorizing them by tasks like regression and classification. It features notable datasets such as iris and vehicle assessment, widely used in research and practice. This repository has been a cornerstone for data scientists since 1987, offering a diverse range of datasets for various machine learning applications. Amazon Web Services offers access to publicly available datasets maintained by various organizations and individuals. These datasets can be accessed through Amazon Web Services resources, allowing users to focus on data analysis rather than acquisition. This platform supports diverse data types, enabling efficient analysis and service development. Explore the registry of open data on Amazon Web Services for a wide range of datasets. Google's dataset search engine is a powerful tool for finding datasets across various fields, like social sciences and environmental science. It indexes datasets from multiple sources, allowing users to filter results and access datasets directly. This tool is invaluable for researchers seeking specific datasets for machine learning projects. Microsoft Research Open Data provides free datasets for diverse fields, ideal for machine learning projects. Users can download datasets or utilize them via cloud-based services, offering flexibility and accessibility. This resource is invaluable for projects in natural language processing, computer vision, and more, enhancing the breadth of data available for analysis. Awesome Public Datasets offers a curated collection of datasets across fields like agriculture, biology, and climate. It's crucial to review licenses before downloading. This resource is invaluable for machine learning projects, providing diverse data to enhance model training and accuracy. Explore these datasets to enrich your projects and gain deeper insights. Government datasets are invaluable for transparency and innovation. Countries release data from various departments, offering a wealth of information for research and analysis. These datasets can be creatively utilized to uncover insights and drive data-driven decisions in machine learning projects. Visual data is a prime resource for computer vision datasets, offering collections for tasks like image classification and segmentation. Ideal for deep learning and image processing, These datasets enhance model training and accuracy. Explore visual data for comprehensive datasets tailored to your computer vision projects. Scikit-learn offers built-in datasets for machine learning practice, ideal for both beginners and experts. It includes toy datasets like iris and real-world datasets such as Boston housing and wine. These datasets are accessible via the Scikit-learn application programming interface, providing a practical way to experiment with various machine learning algorithms. Data ethics and privacy are vital in machine learning. Ethical data collection and usage ensure compliance with privacy laws. Implementing guidelines and frameworks helps maintain ethical standards, protecting sensitive information and securing consent. This approach fosters trust and integrity in data-driven projects, aligning with legal and ethical obligations. Datasets are the backbone of successful machine learning projects. Mastering dataset types, preprocessing, and ethical considerations is crucial. Accessing diverse datasets from reliable sources like Kaggle and University of California, Irvine enhances model accuracy. Remember, ethical data use is paramount for responsible artificial intelligence development.